morning. My name is Azindo Yauza. I'm standing on behalf of the Chief of Damdaboli to thank Give Basin Needs for giving us this particular borehole. Like they said, water is life, and this particular community is big because looking at our numbers, we are getting to more than 100 houses, and we are just managing with one borehole in the community, which is also far from the community. But now that Give Basin Needs have come to our aid to give us this particular one, which is in the community township, it will reduce the water scarcity in the community and also ease our wives and then our mothers stress. Like you can see the children behind me here, most of them has been denied school simply because of water, because the community is too big, and before the mother could go to the borehole to get water, maybe from 6 in the morning, the lady will return around 10 or 11, which will be too late for the child to bath and then go to school. So we thank Give Basic Needs very well, and we say thank you very much. The chief and our women in the community are very, very happy for this particular gift.